Tulip bulbs. Perhaps you know this, but there was a time that one tulip bulb was worth a fortune. In the 16th century, they were brought to Holland from Turkey. They were quite rare then and became a status symbol. It also started a rage. In fact, the bulbs weren't traded, but something like a proof of ownership. And believe it or not, those papers could be worth thousands of florins back then. Luckily, that was long ago, and now anyone can plant tulips in their garden. But how do you do that? Tulip bulbs are planted 3 times as deep as the height of the bulb itself. And to be clear, the point facing up. Tulips like the sun or half shade. And plant the bulbs about ½ an inch apart. When you are done, pat everything down firmly. Water them, and if it stays really dry for a long period of time, water them again. You plant tulip bulbs between September and December. You can choose to plant one species. It gives, look, I have a visitor. Hey! Go for one species of bulb, but you can also plant several species in one place. A mix of early tulips, mid-season tulips, and late tulips. That way you have flowers for a long time in one place. It will be a beautiful spring. Priceless, right? Just like the old days. I also have 2 tips for you. If you want a mixed color scheme in your garden, throw several species of bulbs in a bowl. Mix them up and plant them at random in your garden. You will have a beautiful spring. 2. Did you know that bulbs and Italian cuisine have something in common? It has to do with lasagna. In your garden, you can also plant bulbs with the lasagna method, in pots as well. What you do is literally place layer after layer of bulbs in the soil. They will come up in turn, if you pick the right species, that is. And you will get a huge flowery lasagna in spring. Again, it's beautiful. If you want more information, go to www.bulb.com. And this is why you do it. Look at those beautiful tulips.